In this short video, I will go through the AudioMarkerForDV app, which is an application that lets you visualize audio recorded by Experiment Builder and identify time points which can be added as messages in Data Viewer for synchronization with eye movements. When you record audio with Experiment Builder, you will have the deployed experiment folder, and within it there will be the results folder with all your participants. If you open a participants folder, there will be the eye movement data file or EDF file and a recorded audio folder with your audio files, typically one WAV file per trial. I'm going to open the AudioMarkerForDV app, which comes with a user manual, and once the app opens it will show me the Windows Explorer so I can navigate to the deployed experiment folder and point to the results folder. It's important that you point to the results folder and not to any of these participants folders, so that the app will have access to all participants. Once I click on Select Folder, I can see the first plotted audio waveform. I'm going to make the window bigger. I can click where I want to have my first time point, let's say speech onset. If I click on Snap, when I'm on a section with no sound, it will try to find the first section of sound or speech automatically. The Snap to Speech Onset feature might not always work, so it's a good idea to check and make manual adjustments. If you want to be very accurate, you can zoom in so you can place the vertical line more accurately where you need it. You can zoom back out this way. You can verify if this is the correct place by playing 3 seconds from the vertical line onwards.
A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy.
And play the previous 1 second. Once you are happy with your selection, click Add Point to create the first time point. You can create multiple time points in the same way. Once you finish, you can click on Done to move on to the next trial. You will see the number of time points created for a trial here, and the number of audio files from the total is shown here. If you make a mistake, you can clear the time points for a trial by clicking on the Clear button. By default, the messages created for each time point will be called Audio Time Point 1, Audio Time Point 2, etc. But you can create your own by typing them in the message list, separated by a comma. In this short video, I will go through the AudioMarkerForDV app, which is an application that lets you visualize audio recorded by Experiment Builder and identify time points which can be added as messages in Data Viewer for synchronization with eye movements. When you record audio, this way, when I mark my 4 time points, I will generate these 4 messages for Data Viewer. The message list remains available for the following trials, so they can be reused. You can skip a trial by clicking the Skip button, or end the analysis early by clicking the Stop button. AudioMarkerForDV generates a text file per participant in the results folder of the deployed project. The text files contain the new audio messages, time-stamped to match the eye movement time. There will also be 2 useful Data Viewer variables which mark, for each trial, whether audio time points have been found and how many. Each text file is labeled with the participant name, so P1 for participant 1, P2 for participant 2. Once you import the iMovement data from all participants in Data Viewer, right-click on each participant, select Import Message List, navigate to the Deployed Experiment folder, Results folder, and import the matching message list text file. Do this for all participants. I can use the two new variables to separate my trials. The two variables are audio time point and added messages. Once I click on Regroup, I can separate out the trials based on the number of audio time points found. I'm interested in the trials where I found 4 audio time points, for example. For this group of trials, I can see the audio time point messages. Word 1 start, word 1 end, word 2 start, word 2 end. I can use these messages to find out what eye movements were made at that time by creating interest periods.